To see all those lovely fillies standing up for us, looking their best. Doing extremely well for us. They deserve to be here. They've had a tough job to get there. There were a lot of good contenders for those championships, but only first and second make it. And here they are for us, under the watchful eye of Dr. Mashmoum from Morocco, Benata Shibla from Switzerland, Titi Gayani from Italy, and Mark Isma from Germany. And this junior filly Elron Cup is sponsored by Galamco. Showing a very high class, beautiful conformation and correct as well, with these characteristics of the Arabian horse, with a wedge-shaped head, large eyes and chiseled ears, with a teacup muzzle, with his high tail carriage, a characteristic of the breed.